Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add white place to overlay only in CapCut PC. So for instance, I'm just going to add image to the main frame and I'm just going to add the um, overlay, put on top another clip like so. Sorry. And I'm just going to remove the overlay background, just click cut, select auto cut out, and I'm going to resize, and I'm just going to add opaque. Go to opaque, select night color, select white place. Alright. To apply this white place effect to overlay only, just select the overlay and effect, right click, create compound clip. So you can see this is the final effect you have on your video. This white place effect, um, just only to overlay. So only apply to overlay. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.